Welcome back. The residents of Moti Dongor in Margao have threatened to move to the court against Comunidad's move. Comunidad had served 10 days notice to the Moti Dongor residents to either produce legal documents of title or vacate the place. The agitated residents claim it is nothing but breach of trust by the politicians. Now the residents have demanded rehabilitation.
85 Slum Act declare केल्ले हांगा त्यांना असून आम्ही हे समजूत बशिल्ले की आमकां कांयच जायना म्हणून इतले इलेक्शन जाले जायते लोकांक आमी खंयचे पार्टीचं नांव घेना जायते लोकांक आमचे फायदे घेतले पण एकूच सांगपाक लागले की तुमकां कांय जायना कित्याक तुमकां इस्लाम डिक्लेअर केल्लें आसा आमी ते विश्वासान आमी रावलो आमकां नोटीस येता कितें कळ्ळें की आमी आतां त्रासांक पडलो आयिल्ले 8 तारीखाक सीएमा कडेन आमी गेल्ले परतो त्यांनी तेन्नाय ते उतर दिले हांव तुमचे झोपडी मोडपाक दिना आनी तुमकां हांव रिहेबिलिटेट करता म्हणून
फाटी जेन्ना आमचे एक्स एम एल ए असे आमचे सध्याचे एम एल ए एक्स चीफ मिनिस्टर त्यांच्यानी सुद्धा आमकां आश्वासन दिल्लें की आमी तुमच्या घरांत करया म्हणून ते रावतात हांगा कितें 2000च्या पयलीं 2002 जो कायदो केला काय त्याचे पयलीं जे रावतात तांकां सगळ्यांक रिहेबिलिटेट पयलीं
Meanwhile, All Goa Congress Committee Minority Department President Saifullah Khan has accused Parrikar of targeting the minority.
सगळे जाण म्हणतात अशें कम्युनलिझम शें दिसता जे पर्रीकर हे करतात ते भाशेन दिसता एक फील जाता की बाबा हो हिटलर पॉलिसी अशी करपाक सोदता म्हळ्यार मातशें पूण चर ना ते हांव इतलें म्हणटा की तुमकां हे गरीब लोक रियली पुअर पीपल.
Early on Monday, Moti Dongor at Margao was tensed. Residents agitated when local Comunidad slept notices to vacate. Comunidad had served more than 300 notices to the structures which are reported to be illegal. They were given a time till 22nd February to submit their legal documents or else the structures will be razed. Samir Bhatt for Prudent.
Gino Sports Awards for 2011-12 season were presented on Friday in Panji. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar gave away the award sponsored by Gino Pharmaceuticals since last 17 years. On the occasion, Parrikar revealed that the work on infrastructure for this year's Lusophonia Games is going on at a good pace. He also declared that his government will work on boosting the sportspersons with financial help. The Gino Award ceremony was organized by Sports Journalists Association of Goa.
Alongside Parrikar, Chairman and Managing Director of Gino Pharmaceuticals Dilip Salgaonkar, Dr. Sagar Salgaonkar and SJAG President Sharad Naik were also present. Tanvi Vargaonkar was the first to receive the award for Best Female Player of the Year. Best Male Player of the Year Francis Fernandes of Salgaonkar Football Club was away in Pune. Chess coach Siva Swami was named Coach of the Year. Goa's diving team bagged the Best Team Award as they consistently won medals under the guidance of P. Narsimalu. Upcoming table tennis player Wesley Durzario and badminton starlet Anura Prabhudesai were also among awardees. Special awards were given to badminton administrator Narad Thakur and boxing administrator Lenny De Gama. On behalf of Goa's motocross icon Alan Sequeira, who is away in the UK, his wife Cheryl received the Special Recognition Award. Gino CMD Dilip Salgaonkar advised the government to come up with financial help for sportspersons, to which the Chief Minister gave a positive reply.
Can the government come out with some special schemes so that financially these people can benefit?
अत्यंत महत्वाचा मुद्दा फक्त बजेटाच्या वेळार याद करची पडटली बट आय थिंक द बेस्ट विल बी टू फॉर्म अ कॉर्पस फंड ज्या कॉर्पस फंडांच्यान एखाद्या कमिटीक ऑथॉरिटी दिली जाता की तुम्ही सिलेक्ट करा कॉर्पस फंडान वी कॅन टेक डोनेशन्स ऑल्सो फ्रॉम द कॉर्पोरेट आणि जर कॉर्पोरेटाक जमता तितले सपोर्ट करून को स्पॉन्सर्ड बाय गोवा गव्हर्नमेंट करून काही खेळगड्यांक तांच्या टॅलंटा सकट जगभर भोंवपाक परमिशन.
Parrikar also disclosed that work on Lusophonia infrastructure is ahead of schedule.
सगळ्या कामाचो आढावा घेतला तितलेंच सांगता की सगळीं कामां इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चरल इज अहेड ऑफ टायम शेड्यूल ती ऑक्टोबरच्या पयल्या आठवड्यात कंप्लीट जावंक जाय. दे आर ऑल अहेड ऑफ शेड्यूल. त्यामुळे तातूंत कांय चिंता करनाका. दुसरे गेम्स आसत किंवा फुडले नॅशनल गेम्स आसत आमचे इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर पूर्णपणे इन एडवान्स रेडी आसतलें. आनी इट इज वर्ल्ड क्लास इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर. कोणाक पळोवपाचें आसत कितली स्पीड आहा ती जाल्यार मुद्दम युनिवर्सिटीच्या आयल्यार बांबोळे कॉलेजी कडच्यान गेले की युनिवर्सिटीच्या पयलीं लागता उजव्या हातान भितर रातचे लायटी बिटी चालू दिसतले रातच्यो 12 वरांचेर ह्या कॉलेजीर सुद्दां काम चालू आसता. आनी हेवटेन बांबोळे मेडिकल कॉलेजच्या ओपोजीट वता ग्रावंडाचेर पळयात तुका दिसती पडटलें काम चालू आसा. पेडे हातून चॅक करा कितलें फास्ट काम चालू आहा. सर्वराचे भाजल्यानूच चालू आहा. आनी म्हाका दिसता बाय जुलय वी वील गेट द ग्रावंड ऑल्सो रेडी.
Our sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with video journalist Dinesh Karpe from Panji.
A meteor shower sparkled at explosion that left more than 400 people injured on Friday in southern Russia. Most of the injuries were caused by broken glass. Report says that the meteor hit less than a day before the asteroid 2012. DA14 is to make the closest recorded pass of an asteroid, about 28,000 kilometers. However, it had no impact on Earth. If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at PrudentGo or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.